Here are 5 key things that you must know and 5 mistakes that you must avoid before doing your registration. In fact, before going for the registration. Number 1 is your name. Make sure your name is correctly arranged the way it is on your NIN and the way it is on your WAEC result. Don't make any mistake. The person that bears the name Idowu Ajanlekoko Olamide is different from Idowu Olamide Ajanlekoko on the JAMB registration point. So make sure your name is correctly arranged. Name is the first thing. Make sure your name is correctly arranged. Number two thing that you must avoid, the mistake you must avoid in JAMB registration as you are going for your JAMB registration is the subject combination. Make sure you know the right subject combination for your course. Don't just jump and say, okay, because you love maybe a particular subject, you understand it more, you think you can pick it over another subject. No, it doesn't work that way. The subject combination must be in accordance to the JAMB syllabus. So make sure you work with the JAMB syllabus. Check the subject combination for your course and in your school. Then that's the subject you are supposed to do. Don't let anybody tell you the subject combination you are supposed to choose in your JAMB registration, except the person is knowledgeable about the course that you are going for. So check your JAMB registration, your JAMB syllabus, and make sure that the subject combination is correct, because the change of subject combination is usually opened for a week or 2 weeks by JAMB, and most applicants do not even have any idea about this when it is going on. So if you miss that window, it means you are going to do any subject that you have picked in the main examination. Number 3 thing that you must avoid in your 2026 JAMB registration, the third mistake you must avoid, is the course availability. Make sure that you have made enough research and know that the course that you want to study is available in the school that you want to go to. For instance, if you are choosing University of Ibadan and you want to study maybe software engineering or you want to study computer engineering, those courses are not available in the University of Ibadan. If you want to study dentistry and you are choosing LAUTECH, dentistry is not available in LAUTECH. So make sure you are knowledgeable about the availability of the course that you want to study in the university that you want to choose. Then the fourth thing that you must avoid in 2026 JAMB registration is your email address. Make sure that your email address is correct. Don't just pick any email address, and when you get to the point of registration, don't let the CBT attendant open or use any random email address for you and tell you that you can go and open it later. That may be a mistake, because your email address is where JAMB will send your registration details, your CAPS password and login details will be sent to your email address. So make sure that you open a new email address if you don't have anyone before you go for your registration, and make sure that the email address is functional. Don't forget the password to your email address as well, because key things about your admission will be sent to your email address. And the fifth thing that you must do in this 2026 JAMB registration, you must avoid the fifth mistake, is not cross-checking. So make sure you cross-check very well before the CBT attendant submit your registration form, because immediately you submit it, that's the end of your registration. Make sure you cross-check, ensure that your name is correct, ensure that your email address is correct, ensure that your NIN is correct, ensure that your result, your WAEC result, if you have it, is properly uploaded. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly like it, share, comment, and follow us. Thank you, and see you in the next video.